guys, it is July 21st on a Wednesday. It's currently about 2:30 and I'm out here doing Doordash, Ubereats, and Instacart. I got my very first order for Uber Eats and it said that it is $8.26 for 2.8 miles. I'll make sure to put a screenshot here, but I'm gonna go ahead and go to the restaurant and pick the order up. I got that panko chicken order for the Uber Eats and it said that I'm 5 minutes away and 1.3 miles, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off. It says that it is a leave at door, so this drop off should be fairly easy, and yeah, I'll see you then. So I got my next order for Instacart and it was $30 for 40 items and 62 units. It is for Publix, so Publix is quite small, so it shouldn't really take that long. Hopefully it's under 30 minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and head to the Publix and I'll start shopping. So I got a bit cold, so I changed into a sweater. I got a Doordash for $6.50 for a restaurant called Zekai or something like that. But on the Para app it said that it was $13.10, so I'm gonna go ahead and go pick that up. And $13 for like a 1.5 mile for Doordash is really good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head to the restaurant and pick up the order. Guys, so I picked up that food. It was 3 bags in total and it was ready when I got there, and it says that I'm 6 minutes and 1.4 miles away, so I'll see you when I get there. Drop this McDonald's order off for Uber Eats and then go to Sprouts to start shopping. Guys, so I went ahead and grocery shopped for that person, and the only part that took long was the deli. I had to wait in line and I fought 3 people in line. So basically, I finally got the deli meat that I needed, but I am 8 minutes away and 2.9 miles from the person's house that I'm gonna drop off. And while I was inside Sprouts, I got an Uber Eats order for Chick-fil-A for, I think it was like $10 for like 1.5 miles. So that's also an easy $10, hopefully. Let me not jinx myself. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and drop off this Instacart order, and I'll be back when I pick the Chick-fil-A. So I picked up that Chick-fil-A order, and it says that I am 7 minutes away and 1.9 miles. So let me go ahead and start driving, and I'll show you when I drop it off. So I decided to drive back to my area, and I got a Doordash for this Chinese place, and it is for, well, it says it's for $6.50, but on the Pair app it says that it's $10 in total, and I think it was like only 1.3 miles or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the restaurant and pick up the order, and I'll be back when I start driving there. Alrighty guys, so I picked up the food. It was I think it was 6 items in total, and it's pretty heavy. I've never been to that restaurant, and so I don't really know how fast or slow they are, but I did have to wait about 5 minutes. And while I was in there, I got an Instacart order that was really good. I'm like really lucky that I snatched it up before, like, I guess like nighttime. And so I got an Instacart order, and I'll make sure to put it somewhere in here, for 27 items, and I think it was worth like $31 or $32. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this food off and then head to the store that's Sprouts. Alright, so it is the next day, and I'm just gonna go over what I made yesterday, which was July 21st. On Doordash, I made $21.19 from 2 deliveries. And I don't know if y'all remember, but I had a Doordash that I said Pair app said $10.50, but it only ended up giving me $7.50, which is super strange because it's the first time that Pair app has ever, like, I guess not told the truth in a sense. And then for Uber Eats, I made $34.73. I got really lucky on the last delivery because that person tipped $15, so in total I got like $17.50 from that order. And then on Instacart, I made a total of $84.72 for doing 3 batches, and the active time was 3 hours and 27 minutes. And so in total, that should have been like $140 and like 60 something cents, and divided by probably 5 hours, because technically I worked for 6 hours, but I did take like an hour and a half lunch break, so I'm just gonna say 5 hours. And so when you divide that by the time that I've worked, it's like $28, $29, $30 pretty much. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I just want to come here and say that I hit 100 subscribers like a couple days ago, and I think I'm pretty sure I'm like at 126 right now. But I just want to say that I'm super grateful, like, for all of the people, even if you comment small stuff, like, it really does mean a lot to me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment any questions about like the video, or any questions that you have about Instacart and DoorDash or Uber Eats, and I'll see you on the next one.